Olwaleero bakansala mu munisipaali y'e Masindi bakeddeko ewa ku kanso okuteesa ku bizibu ebyenjawulo ebiruma ekitundu kyabwe na butya bwe bayinza okubinogera eddagala. Bagamba nti ekimu ku bisinga okuba by'emitwe n'okkalubiriza mu ntambuza y'emirimu mu kitundu kyabwe bwe butabaawo mmotoka gye bayinza kweyambisa naddala mu byensimbi. Katono mu mwaka gw'ebyensimbi oguwedde 2024-2025 baliko ssente obukadde 100 mbuze bayisa ne bawa Town Clerk Daniel Kasala agule emmotoka kika kya double cabin ng'eno yali yakubayambako mu kukungaanya emisolo mu bantu kyokka nga ne gye buli kati tebagikubangako kya mu lubaale.
We purchased a vehicle in December last year. To date, that vehicle has never appeared here at Masindi municipality.
To help us in mobilizing revenue mobilization, but all in vain. Up to now, the vehicle is nowhere to be seen.
The money paid to a contractor, and it is square irresponsibility of the town clerk as an accounting officer. Me and my political head.
Bagamba nti olukoola okwegabanya ssente zino baluwulirako era ne beekubira enduulu mu b'obuyinza.
Then somebody by the name of Kasigwa Motors applied and he was considered as the best bidder. He was given out the contract to purchase a vehicle. Then later on we realized that this man had connived with the accounting officer with some other politicians to share out the money. When we realized that, we had to report the matter to police. Then from police, they brought in this anti-corruption unit from the office of the president.
Basalawo ne bamwana oluwumula lwa mwezi mulamba aleete emmotoka eno kyokka era nadda nga tagirina.
We reached the extent of giving him the holiday to go and purchase that vehicle, and we gave him 1 month. Up to now he came back, but all in vain.
Bagamba nti bagezezzaako okwogera naye okumanya obuzibu bwe buli abaddamu kimu ng'emmotoka bw'eriwo ng'eriko bijibulako.
He's doing his best. The only gap he has not provided documentation how far he has reached. Otherwise, he tells me he's very committed and he took up that matter as the person because also some people, the ministry people went there and saw the vehicle.
We are wondering, a vehicle that was paid in December, up to now, the government has never given it the number plate, or it has never registered. It has never been registered.
Bwe balabye no teyeenyeenya kwe kusalawo bamugobe. Kino bakikoze basibawo ofiisi ye era ne basaawo mumyuka we agire ng'atambuza emirimu.
We have locked his office. He's out and we no longer need him in Masindi Municipal. We shall get a new town clerk because he's not developmental at all.
So as of now, we are saying the deputy town clerk, Mr. Simwe Patrick, be running the business of Masindi Municipal.
We have requested someone who was sitting for him, the assistant town clerk, to communicate to him that he returns our vehicle. Or else we are going to find a way.
Kyokka bano balabuddwa ku kikolwa kino eky'okugoba town clerk kubanga buno si buvunaanyizibwa bwabwe.
Masindi Municipality Council does not have the powers to say that to Koreangere. They can recommend. Like they have written a proposal that we're going to get our PS. PS is the overall person supposed to transfer these tanks. They can only recommend and say President Musanya to saba mu mutwali.
Tusobodde okwogerako ne Town Clerk Daniel Kasala ku lukomo lw'essimu. Agamba bakansala bano baagaana buganye kumutegeera kubanga bo balina entalo zaabwe ze balwana.
The vehicle is there, but only that it is being registered. Now, these are government processes. They are working on those issues of the number plate. That is all. The vehicle will be delivered to Masindi. I don't know. I think those people are fighting their wars between with the mayor. They are fighting the mayor.
Mbu kyokka ekimwewuunyisa nti n'emmotoka gye bamubanja esasulwako kitundu ate nga ne bano bennyini bakimanyi.
And the vehicle we have only paid 50%, not even 100%, and they know it.
Katonda abasekeredde nti tebasobola kumugoba kubanga bo si be bamuwa omulimu guno.
But they also know that they are not my employers. I'm employed by Ministry of Local Government. I'm not appointed by Masindi Municipal Council.
Mu kiseera kino tekimanyiddwa banga bakansala banaaganya Town Clerk okudda mu ofiisi ye akakalabya emirimu gye.